Hey, it's John Marc, and I'm excited to share this new lesson on how to draw cartoons. Today I'm actually going to be going over with several different shapes of heads. Yes, as you can imagine, when you're using your creativity, there's many different styles that you can do. And how do you come by these shapes? Use your imagination, see objects that you normally hear, like an apple, a pear, a peach, a watermelon, a hot dog. Whatever you can use your imagination, some of those visuals that I just shared with you, you just might see me drawing them right now. All right, so let's begin today's lesson. So the basic first one that you're going to see right now is like a typical circle that everybody does, which is fine. From that circle, I'm just going to put a little crosshair like I always share in some of my other videos, and that just helps me to know the placement for where the eyes would go, the nose, and the mouth, of course. Oh, can't forget the ears. As you can see, no, the ears don't see, they hear. So there's an ear there and over there. So as you can basically see the placement for it. So that's one simple basic shape. Now let's get another one down. And what do you think we could do? Let's do more of another circle. Here we go. Let's get the chin kind of protruding down, and then the crosshair once again. So this little character here has a big chin, and you can change the forehead, top of the forehead here, and where the neck could kind of go down here. There's the. Let's get the eye again, and I'm just using basic shape eyes right now just to go over simple with you. This guy could have a beard, or a bigger smile, or a sad smile. And of course eyebrows you can add there. I'm going to put in some simple ears again. This one here is behind it, and you can see the perspective, how it goes behind. Taller on this side, smaller on that side, because it's rotating around the head. So that's another basic shape. What other type of head do you have? Well, let's do like this funky, it could be a robot. This one could be like a robot. Alright, or any character for that matter. I'm going to get that little crosshair again to help me, and the neck down here. That would be like where his shoulders would be. Gotta get his eyes here, his nose, and you can just change. I'm just going to change this one out with a little different mouth then. And I get this one here had eyebrows here. The other one's in, that's okay. And again, I'm just going to make like a simple ear here, and that one's again down there. So as you can see here, the basic shape that I did here again is almost like an upside down triangle. Alright, that's another one. Well, what else could we do with that? How about we have a small part of an oval on the top, and then we get like a bigger oval down below. What's interesting with this one is it's basically like, as if it's like a little character that ate a big watermelon, or maybe a big peanut, whatever you want to use. In this case, I'm going to have like the shoulders here, so you're not seeing the so-called neck, because he's a big guy. There's my eyes again. I'll give him a bigger nose, and this time I'll just give him maybe a mustache really quick. So there's his nose there, and his eyelids over eyebrows, over here, different expression. And his ears I can make even smaller than on this guy. So he got a big chin. This could be a beard actually. It's just to show that in there right now. Could be like a Santa Claus or a Viking. There you go. So you can see the shape there. That actually helped me build up the little beard, and that's just coming up with your imagination and just seeing some things for basic shapes. Alright, let's check out another shape. What could we do with this one here? So let's do more like a three-dimensional. I'm going to do a little oval on the top, a circle on the top, and then I'm going to go straight down, and then I'm going to do it as if his chin is protruding out, but you can actually see. So this would be underneath the back side of it. And let's get that crosshair here, and let's change the nose a little bit different. Coming out. Let's color those eyes in then. And his ears. Again, simple ears. And this one here, you barely might even see that ear. And I'm just going to give him a little mouth. And let's give some eyebrows on that top there. So again, you can see here, so this could be like the bottom of his chin here, and then that would be kind of like how the neck would be. I'm just building up the shape right here. Could be like a robot. Definitely could be robot. If it was a robot, you can make these like lug nuts on the side here and put a little lug nut on the top, actually. Little parts, mechanical face. Again, then you can change that up and again. So just basically, I created right now simple shapes. What else do you think we could come up with? Let's see. Oh, of course, let's do this simple oval one right here. There we go. Simple oval, long. And in this case, I could have the eyes up high, like here maybe, or I could have them down very low, kind of like an alien. So let's do that one. Okay, I'm going to bring the crosshair down lower, and here the eyes are over here, a little bit lower, kind of sad looking alien. This time no nose and maybe no ears either. So this is just to give like a simple thing, or if you want to have ears, maybe they're kind of like inside. They're actually inside the little alien. So again, a simple little shape like that, and I create that. I could have had the eyes higher up, but this case I moved it down so he has a big forehead. Alright, let's check out another idea. What could we do? Oh, remember one of those vegetables or fruit I said? Let's check out a pear. So if you did a pear, kind of playing up with that easily, okay? In this case, it's kind of protruding, a neck coming down there a little bit more. Okay, let's get the eye over here. And I'm going to make a big smile on this guy. He's really happy. Get his teeth in there, lower lip, and a little nose. I'm going to have the eyelid up high in here and a little low here. So, a little simple shape. Once again, and let's have the ears. I'm just going to just give little ears here, and this could be even animals. Okay, this could be like a little beaver. Okay, yeah, let's just, if this was a little beaver and these were his little ears, and his little tuft on his hair here, and changing it here, and changing the nose like right now on the top, just like that. Kind of looks like a beaver boy. There you go, pretty funny. Again, started one way and I changed it very simply. Alright, what other shape do you think we could come up with? How about a long, like if it was a bean. Okay, a long one. This could be another type of an alien, or a smart brainiac. So I'm going to make the eyes maybe really, really small now. A lot of times I would make them big. I'm going to make the nose really small, and the mouth, and then I can make it this. He's really happy. Drag the mouth really, really down low. There you go, like that. That would be kind of fun. Let's just fill that all in. That's his tongue. So let's say give him some type of alien shaped ears then. And he has that little top of his head there. And you know what? I have an idea with that head just in a second. So right here, this could be where the top of his brain is actually exposed, and it's actually like in a tube. So now you can have like a little brain, and it's like in this little container, and this is the top of his head in there. Being silly right now. Again, using your imagination, this could be part of his whole head here. He could be Frankenstein on top of a head here. That'd be a kind of fun one to do. Let me just try that one now. I'm going to redo this one. We're going to try to do like a little Frankenstein. A long head like this, stylized head. Alright, so I'm going to make it more of like a straight line for his eyes, like he's frowning. His nose, really sad. His ear here, his other one here. His neck, and of course as he Always has these little funky things in his neck. There we go. And then come the there we go. I like that one. That one's kind of fun. Let's show a scar. Let's get that little bit of his hair. There we go. Little tuft on the corner there. See? Same shape, and I created two different things, an alien and like a little Frankenstein. Now that would be kind of fun one to do the whole body. Kind of envisioning that one could be a fun lesson. What other shapes do you think we could come up with? How about a little one that you probably might have seen other cartoons have? Again, it's the same thing, but they have he had a big jaw. And then his whole mouth filled this whole area here. Again, had a little beady eyes and somewhat of a big nose. And his ears were kind of protruding on the side there. You can really exaggerate. In this case, this is an exaggeration. Let's just get the little hair right there and an eyebrow. This is a big exaggeration, big jaw. Something I kind of do, or you can make a smaller neck. I like the smaller one better on him. Kind of weird looking, but you know what? That's the neat part about creativity. Now, what other one could you do? How about, you ready? A peanut. A peanut shell. You know when you see a peanut shell? Kind of playing up with that. Now, how could this one work? Let's get the crosshair. So let's do, we'll get a nose in here. Quick mouth again, just to get that in there. Kind of maybe more sinister, angry, or upset. And ears, in this case, I'm going to make a little lower on there. And give like a little hair on the top. And I just like that made a little angry type of a face. There we go. And have that like he's looking up. Playing up with that little peanut shape of a head. And I'll give a little neck in there. Again, you can play up with this one, change the angle. He could be looking the other direction as well. What else could I have? Here's the last one. You know, kind of like as if he was in the medieval times and he had a helmet on. Or it could be, this could be a robot. And you're going to have that crosshair, so the old-fashioned knights kind of had those type of little helmets right there. Or it could be like an old-fashioned 1940 style robot from another planet. Okay, let's try to do that one. And little antenna on the side for his ears. Beep, 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 beep. And his neck. So not only am I doing like people, objects, or robots, you know. And let's try to see if let's get that little square on the side. So I'm just going to shade this here. There you go. So it kind of gives you like that shade. So you can see this is flatter on that side. And there, some basic shapes that I created. Very simple to create all these different heads. I got that one. You have this one. You got that one. You got another one right there. Just can't forget this guy. And we have him too, this little space alien one. That was a fun one. The boy beaver. That was a fun one. Oh yeah, that one was fun too. And then when I turned it into a Frankenstein's face. And then this one here, a big jaw. And then a peanut head. And the last one kind of like a robot. Now with this lesson was just very simple for you to actually see how you can create different types of shapes and use your imagination to create different kind of characters. Well, if you like these, make sure you subscribe to my videos and check out all my other ones because I have some fun ones that you might really enjoy. So as always and always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day.